are here. We are here for another taste test. Is it Fat Girl approved? We are going to try the new Sour Patch Blizzard. Do you see it, guys? Do you see it? Excited about this. I love Sour Patch Kids. So, they have like some really interesting flavors in the summer. I'm excited. Sis is here with me and she is happy to try all this stuff. Sissy, you ready? Yummy, 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 yummy. It's been a couple hours later after we did the Cheetos sandwich. I hate the lightning sweet Mountain Dew. No way. So gross. Don't waste your time with it. It's disgusting. I totally want. I wish I had that like corn fly outfit to go with this. Tasty, but I don't. But once I start making all this YouTube money, honey, watch out. I think with my first check, I'm gonna go. It's gonna be a whole video of let's go to the Gucci outlet with my YouTube check. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I love you, honey. Sour Patch. Sour Patch. Sour Patch. Baby, baby is dancing with a stranger. Look, here's it. Thank you. You too. Ah, we got it. We got it. We got it. We got it. Ooh, ooh. I gotta take a thumbnail. I gotta take a thumbnail. Oh, guys. Here it is. Oh, Sissy is eyeing it. It is the Blizzard. Ah! It melted already. Okay. It's too damn hot. Okay, here we go. Mmm. 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 Oh. Wow. It is sour, guys. What do you think about that? I don't know if I can eat all this though. Woo! Whoa! It's melting quick, y'all. That first bite was really, really sour, but and then you get kind of used to it. It seems like this is like raspberry soft serve. not the white. Mm. Oh. Oh. Sis likes it. I'm glad I got a small. I should have got a mini because this is way too much. Ooh. This is very sweet. And sour. You like it, sis? Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I mean, your girl's eating it. I don't think I would order this again. I ordered it for novelty's sake, and let's be honest, it's YouTube worthy. Would I get this again above my normal Blizzard I order? No. It is Fat Girl approved, but what? She got a huge one. Not this, but she got a huge Blizzard. I can't eat that much. It's too damn sweet. This is like super sweet. Like, it's almost not enjoyable because it's so, I don't know, it's just sweet as hell. Maybe kids won't like that. I love Sour Patch Kids though. It does have the real Sour Patch Kid chunks in it. And when you eat it, it is sour. Definitely. Sis seems to be really liking it, but I don't think I can finish this. This is way too sweet. It is Fat Girl approved, but this Fat Girl is over it. Oh my gosh. It is super sweet. Autumn likes it though. Do not get this if you have sugar diabetes. I'm going to just tell you that. Do not. Ugh. Alright. Thanks for watching. Is it Fat Girl approved?